The time has come to go to the next playlist. So you were on playlist number 4. The next playlists are right here. If you want to get to the next playlist on the current playlist you're watching, then you want to go here to bomb-playlist-005. So this is the playlist for the advanced tutorials on the Kanji Coder channel. If this is a little bit fast for you, you can go to the intermediary on Boom Playlist 5 on the Ninja Coder channel, or if you just want to see technical demos, from now on, the Weeb Coder channel will be used for technical demos. So this playlist will be only technical demos, and the source code for this video right here is AIM400 on the Kanji Coder repo. If you want the entire repo, just do github.com/kanjicoder/aim_. No, actually, no underscore. What am I talking about? Just knock off the _400 if you want the master code repo. You can email me here, and let's do a very, very quick technical demo since we're on the fast tutorials. So let's load something in. Up, up, down, down, left, right, and what is it? G key. And let's load this cat picture right here. Let's load it. And then, oh, look at that. That's interesting. Let's hit 6 key on the QWERTY keyboard. Let's do L to undo letterboxing. Let's zoom out a little bit and let's pan around. So it looks kind of interesting, right? We got this kind of interesting dwarf fortress kind of looking thing going on. And any 512 by 512 PNG, any 512 by 512 PNG file is a valid level pack in my engine because I encode my levels in 512 by 512 PNG files. So that's the end of my little technical demo. And let's go to the end, right? What is it? Control end. So all we did in this playlist is say that playlist 4 is over. You need to go to playlist 5. Okay, with that said, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Go to this playlist. I'm done. Email me here. Source code here. Like and subscribe.